Here's how to scrape Alibaba products in a list with no coding knowledge. For this, we'll need the Alibaba scraper from Nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press products in a list. As you can see, we extracted the products in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. Then head to the next page. And there you go. Do this as many times as you want. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-navigate the pages for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press stop. Now, press on the settings. Now head to stored data. In here you can find all the data you scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now, to customize this, press on Customize. Then press Products in the list. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also other criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press Save. You can also find more features in the add-on section. Now, to export this, press Add to Export List. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here is all the data we extracted.